Global Perspective Individual Report, IR, for Grade 8. Welcome to our Global Perspective Individual Report, IR, training for Grade 8. Understand the structure of an individual report, IR. Identify and research a global issue. Analyze different perspectives on the issue. Propose possible solutions to the global issue. Here are the key concepts and guidelines for your IR. Global issues. A global issue is a problem impacting cultures and societies worldwide. Understanding key issues. Topics include climate change, poverty, and education inequality. Action. Research these topics to find relevant data and examples. IR skills. For a solid IR, you need research, analysis, evaluation, and communication abilities. Skills overview. Practice gathering information effectively and analyzing different views. Action. Work on organizing your thoughts clearly in writing. IR structure. An organized structure helps convey your message clearly. Structure breakdown. Your IR should have an introduction, perspectives, analysis, solutions, and conclusion. Action. Follow this format to stay focused in your writing. Clear communication. Expressing your ideas simply is vital. Communication tips. Use plain language with relevant examples to enhance comprehension. Action. Revise your work for clarity and coherence. Let's apply what we've learned with some real-world scenarios. Research how climate change affects agriculture globally and locally. What effects are being noticed? Pause and evaluate. Look at both global patterns and local data. Your action should be: document your findings for comparison in your IR. Consider the issue of plastic pollution in oceans. Which data sources will you use? Pause and analyze. Identify credible sources for statistics and case studies. If the answer is clear, begin documenting your findings for your IR. Research is crucial for understanding global issues. Multiple views enhance your analysis. A clear structure improves communication. Proposing solutions makes your work impactful. Start your individual report by selecting a global issue and examining it from various perspectives. Thank you for participating in our Global Perspective IR training.